Welcome everyone. In today's video, we will be discussing a bearish outcome candle. So when finding a bearish outcome candle, you need to find the impulse below liquidity in the form of equal lows, that last down candle in the form of either a wide ranged body candle or a long spiked candle, a long wicked spiked candle, excuse me, below equal lows, capturing liquidity. And then we need to see that aggressive impulse up, letting us know that a possible change in sentiment has occurred. So what we would wait for after seeing that liquidity has been captured in the form of equal lows, we would wait for price to, correct itself back to the open of that last down bearish candle before the impulse up for our most optimal risk to reward buy position.